In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So first of all, we need to reach the phone dialer, select the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, click on Edit, and now just tap on the camera icon. And you can either take a photo, it's perfect if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery and pick, for example, albums. And now pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can crop it either with albums or Google Photos. I will choose albums. And now you can smoothly personalize it. Tap on confirmation mark, select save, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, to Tim, and anytime he will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.